Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the repeated button press option in the quick action events in God of War Ragnarok. First, press the settings button using the arrow buttons and the X button on the controller. Then navigate to gameplay, press the X button. Then navigate to playstyle section and find the repeated button press and change it to hold or tap depending on your preference, and this will affect the quick time events in the game itself. I will leave it on hold. That's it for today's video. If you considered it helpful, leave a comment, a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.